Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to verify your identity on Revolut. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you got to do is to log into your Revolut account, and once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the profile section, and once you're there, you want to tap verify your identity, and then you got to select your country of residence. Next thing you got to do is to upload a government issued identification card, such as a passport or a driver's license. Next, you want to take a selfie to verify your identity. And then you gotta wait for Revolut to review and help you verify your identity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to verify your identity on Revolut. I hope you guys liked the video. It was a quick one, but I hope the information was useful enough. If you found it useful enough, then like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.